Hit, and they'll be into the middle order.
With the fall of that wicket, the new batter comes charging out to the crease. They're quick to take guard and face up. Middle, what a start.
Hit that one on the up, a fabulous drive for 6.
That last ball isn't something you want to repeat of. You don't want to be giving away easy runs. Great shot, through the gap. Straight drive, mid-off will cut that one off. Nicely fielded out deep on the boundary. Playing all their shots in that over, a very expensive over.
They've stayed in that super aggressive mindset. At this rate, their total could be unreachable.
That's gone for 6. That is a huge one. Gill wants plenty from these bowlers.
Well, that's a waste of a delivery. Absolutely no trouble getting onto it and dispatching it for 6.
Do they go full? Do they go short? A lot to ponder this delivery after the boundary. Square cut, finds point, no run. Gill cuts away but finds the fielder just behind point. Oh, now then, that's high in the air. Batters should get a few here.
Well, that ball has been hit. It's flown into the crowd. To get that much power coming forward onto the front foot is just ridiculous.
Boundary last ball. What's to come this delivery, I wonder. Well, that was a struggle, getting smacked all over the park. Oh, that's beautifully struck, right out of the guts and all the way.
That ball's been hit. It's flown into the crowd. To get that much power coming forward onto the front foot is ridiculous.
Yeah, it can be very disheartening seeing good deliveries smacked around. Sometimes, though, you just got to accept it and move on. Shami goes all the way, massive strike, and that's 2 in a row.
That's the kind of contact you dream of. Nothing wrong with the delivery, but boy, did that get hit. Just brilliant.
Back-to-back boundaries. Can they make it 3 in a row and really put the bowler on the back foot? Huge. That has flown.
Great shot for 6. Moving along nicely and starting to really build this innings.
The last one helped the scoring rate, making their intentions for this innings. Huge shot. That's a massive shot, just incredible.
Crunch on the front foot and bang, gone all the way.
This delivery just needs to be pitched up on a length. Too short, and you're going to get punished on this pitch. Beats the bat. Jeez, how has that missed the stumps? Peach of a delivery. Crunched over the onside. Oh, the batter holds the pose as the ball sails, I reckon, 12 deep into the crowd for a maximum. A new bowler is coming into the attack. Going a long way. What a shot.
That's just silly. The power on that shot is incredible. That's the sort of shot you want to see at a cricket match.
Can't afford to go too full again. It does help to switch up your deliveries just to keep them guessing. Oh, wow. That is out of here. That could be out of the ground.
That was seen so early. The timing was brilliant and that has stayed hit. Fantastic.
Don't need to do anything special. Line and length is the key here. Oh boy, that's a maximum. I want to know how far that's gone. Came right off the meat of the bat.
Lovely bit of batting, the century comes up and really that has been a well-controlled innings. Hasn't given the bowlers much of a chance, that's for sure.
Don't always mind getting hit for runs. What's important, just focus on getting the next delivery right. See you later, 24 in a row. Let's party some more. This is outstanding cricket.
Oh boy, 4 sixes in a row. It's just proving too easy at the moment and I feel like it might not be over just yet.
I didn't feel there was too much wrong with that last delivery. They just need to keep the ball in the right areas and the rewards will come.
Yep.
Oh my word, that is huge. Middle, that's a monster of a shot.
Well, any sign of nerves approaching the half century can be forgotten. A brilliant shot for 6.
End of a high-scoring over. Beautiful batting. After hitting the boundary that many times, there's high confidence out in the middle. Going with spin now. There's a chance if it hits. That's huge. That's a biggie. It is out of here. Absolutely smoked off the bat. Boundary last delivery. Is that the sign they're trying to push the run rate? And again, another maximum. All the fielders can do is watch as that sails deep into the crowd.
A good innings, that's 50. A simple raise of the bats. Thumbs up to their batting partner and they're ready to go again.
I'd like to see them just aim for the top of off now. As a bowler, you've got to make them play on your terms. Nearly gets the edge. Parra with a great delivery there. Oh, yes. Oh, brilliant stuff. Opened the shoulder and lofted that over cover. That'll be 6 more. Just need to keep it simple. Line and length. Around about off stump. That'll force a mistake. Crap. It's another massive maximum. 2 in a row. Bowler under pressure now.
All the way. Got it right out of the middle.
That's the over. The Titans, 251 for 1.
It's been non-stop action tonight. Every plan for the batters has been dismantled with almost a level of disdain.
Oh, whack! Pick the bones out of that. It's gone for a maximum.
It's flown into the crowd. To get that much power coming forward on the front foot is ridiculous.
Tried something a bit different last delivery, and the captain shouldn't mind that too much. If they get it right, they just might get that wicket. Oh, that was net. There was an element of insanity the way that sounded. 2 biggies in a row.
This is just silly. The power on that shot is incredible.
Gill is finding it difficult to contain this pair at the moment. My advice would be go back to your stock delivery and then build from there. Huge shot. That's a massive shot. Just incredible.
That just drifted a bit and pounced on. Hit high and mighty. They'll be really happy with that.
Always difficult to focus after what happened last ball, but you just got to stay positive and believe the wicket's going to come. Oh, that's been heaved away and punished over the rope. That's a brute of a maximum.
4 sixes in a row. It's proving too easy right now. There's more to come.
Zampa shouldn't be too worried about that last ball. They've got them playing their shots. Just need to tighten their areas now. 6 of your finest, please. Cover drive for a maximum. Brilliant.
This is getting silly now. Another 6. Just brilliant power hitting.
Gill has gotten the big shot away this over. Now they can focus on playing the next ball on its merits. Oh, that's beautifully struck. Right out of the guts and all the way.
Just a little bit of room and the power was immense. It's flown over the boundary. Lovely shot. Gets on the drive and powers that one over the boundary. Wonderful timing.
That's the end of the over. Just magical batting. Nothing the bowler can do other than watch the ball go all over the ground. Finds the fielder with that shot.
Can he get the run for 150?
Dragged down and put away. Pulled that with great power and it's been launched into the crowd for a maximum.
That's just a brilliantly aggressive shot. Gets onto the front foot and it's flown over the boundary. Well, this innings is just getting better and better. 150 now. Wonderful cricket. Stunning knock.
Oh boy, that's a maximum. I want to know how far that's gone. Came right off the meat of the bat.
Well, enough leverage there to get a good swing of the arms under it to get it over the rope.
2 boundaries in a row. Time to focus back to line and length. Oh, away she goes. That's a hat-trick of maximums. Gill on the rampage now.
6, 6, 6. They've got 3 in a a row now. Fabulous power, fabulous timing too.
Getting nicely settled at the crease now. Would have to be very happy with that last shot. And what a strike that is, right into the slot. Great timing and balance. It'll be a maximum.
Well, that's what you pay your entrance money for. It's flown into the crowd. A brilliant shot off the front foot. No need to move. Might look to go big again here.
Great shot. It was a good length to try that, and they did that with maximum results. 6 more.
Oh, well, that ball is probably feeling very sore right now. It's been hit so hard this over. 30 runs in just 5 balls.
End of a high-scoring over. Beautiful batting. After hitting the boundary that many times, there's high confidence out in the middle. This bowler knows how to give the ball an almighty tweak. Let's see how they go. Crack! Head was completely still and they struck that hard, high and long for 6.
Well, with shots like that, it's not going to be long before the 100's up. That was a really well-timed stroke. How will he reply?
Wait there.
Couldn't get it through the field. Well, now that could be out. Out of the ground. That's a tremendous shot. Just sailed away.
How clean did they hit that? Plays that immaculately with a straight bat. How will the bowler respond?
Oh, my word, that is huge. Middle, that's a monster of a shot.
We've seen some brilliant batting so far. Not long before they'll get to 100 with shots like that.
The shot's certainly being played at the moment. Some good batting mixed in with a little bit of good fortune. 2 boundaries and 2 balls. 2 straight. It's just been helped on its way for a maximum. Fine shot there.
Well, that just shows how difficult life can be as a bowler. Lifts the ball off a good length. A fabulous bit of timing for 6.
Sampson, I don't think, will be too happy with their bowler at the moment.
Catch it.
Good catch, out! And out! Oh, how did he get to that one?
Two down, the long walk back to the pavilion for them. This could be a huge swing of momentum.